In this video, we'll show you how to use OSU's online degree audit system known as DegreeWorks. We'll focus on how to check your progress toward degree completion and how to understand some of the additional tools built into the audit. When you access DegreeWorks, you'll see your student ID, name, and primary degree here at the top of the page. If you're pursuing a second degree, click this drop-down to view your additional degree audit. The default tab is the Academic tab. This tab contains your actual degree audit. Next to the Academic tab is the What If tab, which we'll look at in another video. The Format drop-down menu gives us a couple of options for how we can view the audit. The Student view is the default and provides the most complete picture of your academic progress. The Registration checklist simplifies your audit by removing any course requirement that you have completed or are currently enrolled in. Selecting either format will automatically change the presentation of your audit. In this top portion of your audit, you'll see additional details from your student record, including your overall and institution credits, your overall institution and transfer GPAs, your advisors, and any concentrations or minors that you are pursuing. At the very bottom of the page is a legend explaining the various symbols you'll see in your audit. The most important are the following. A circle with a green check mark means that you have completed the requirement. A half-filled blue circle means that you will complete the requirement using in-progress classes. A red circle indicates that you have not yet completed the requirement. If you see a requirement with a red circle that you believe you have satisfied, be sure to contact your advisor. Let's return to the top of the audit and look at your degree requirements. As we begin to scroll back down, you'll see the beginning of your specific degree requirements divided into blocks. Each of those blocks is listed here at the top along with overall requirements like total credit hours or total upper division credit hours. Clicking any of the links in the Still Needed section will jump you down to that section of the audit. You can also use the Collapse All tool to collapse all blocks. You can then scroll down to whichever block you wish to view. Once you reach the block, select it to expand. To view all blocks again, use the Expand All tool. Each block will contain specific degree requirements and sometimes a total credit count for the block. As you can see here, Pistol Pete has completed English composition, but still needs 3 credits of humanities to finish his general education requirements. Unmet conditions will often have a tool called CourseLink enabled, indicated by a blue link in the Still Needed section. Hovering over this link will show you the course title and number of credits, and clicking on it will bring up the course description, any prerequisites that are required, class offerings for the upcoming term, and transfer equivalencies. At the bottom of the audit are additional sections to display all of your coursework, not just the ones being used to meet specific degree requirements. They will only show up if you have courses that fit within these defined sections. First is Fallthrough. These are courses that don't have a place to go within the specific sections above, but they still count toward your total credits and overall GPA. Second is Insufficient. Any courses with W or F grades will show up here, along with repeated, reprieved, or renewed courses. Third is In Progress and Pre-Registered. Any future enrollments are collected here. Next is Not Counted. Performance activity, developmental, and/or mutually exclusive courses will appear in this section, as they cannot be used to meet degree requirements per state regions and OSU policy. These courses will not factor into your total credits or GPAs on DegreeWorks. Finally, any substitutions or waivers your college has granted you are summarized in this Exceptions section at the very bottom. Remember that you are encouraged to use this degree audit as a guide when planning your progress toward completion of degree requirements. Please contact your academic advisor for assistance if you have any questions.